Here are 6 ways that you can be a more effective leader right away. Number 1, consistency. What do I mean by that? Don't just talk to your people when there's an issue. Make sure you're talking to them all the time so that when there is an issue, you have enough of a relationship built up with them so that you can address that issue. Number 2, clear communication. When you're in a conversation and either you're unclear or they're unclear, this is what you do. If you're unclear, ask yourself, what's one more question I can ask? If they seem to be unclear, ask yourself, what's one more piece of information I can give? Number 3, set expectations and deadlines. Make sure that everyone's clear on what you want to be done and when you want it done. That's the key, right? Not just what you want done, but when you want done. When you want it done. Number 4, hold people accountable. Something's gone wrong. You've got to have the conversation. These are the questions to ask. What went wrong? How are you going to fix it? What would you do different next time? Number 5, if something positive happens, make sure that you recognize people. Be specific. Look them in the eye and say, hey, Dave, when you did this, this was the impact on the project. Thank you for doing that. And then finally, number 6, set goals with all of your direct reports, either project specific or people specific. If someone needs to get better technically, set a goal for them in the next year. Work with them to improve their technical skills. If it's project specific, make sure that they understand what they need to focus on in order to bring the project in on time and under budget. Okay. Summary again, how can you get effective as a leader? Number 1, consistency. Number 2, clear communication. Number 3, set expectations and deadlines. Number 4, hold people accountable. Number 5, make sure that you're recognizing them. And then number 6, set goals with everyone. My name is Eric Anderton. Hope you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.